What I tell y'all? Don't piss me off. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHon. Today's video is brought to you by Julia Hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl drank all her Wawa today. I don't got nothing in. I'm too lazy to get up and get something. So drink up for me, okay? But I do consider Julia Hair to be a fast fashion brand only because of what they offer on their wigs, which is pretty much slim to nothing. And the hair quality is kind of like in between. It's not super high quality, but it's not low quality either. However, Julia Hair said, you know what? We sick of you. Tired of being called fast fashion, so here you go. We're gonna upgrade you a little bit. The new Bye Bye Knots wig from Julia Hair is sitting like this on me, and we're gonna talk about it. So before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, all of y'all give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Julia Hair. All the specs of my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their brand new Bye Bye Knots wig. Bye bye. So they are now bleaching their knots on their wigs. They did send me another one to compare it to, a non-bleach version. Honestly, out the pack, I couldn't really tell, but I see a little something on the picture, but I want to see if y'all can see what I'm not seeing. I don't know. So this is the one that has the bleach knots. So let me sit that one right here. This is the one without the bleach knots, and it's cut a little different. So this one is cut straight across, as you can see, and there's no bleaching in there. This is how the old ones look, and then you can see how the lace is looking right here. Looks a little ashy. So let me do a little side by side. No bleaching, bleaching. I can see where they put the bleach on there, but it's real subtle. Come back here. And obviously this one is cut straight across. This one has that wavy, because I told them stop cutting them wigs like that, because I don't like that. I do see a lot of the bleaching in the parting space. As you can see right here on the picture, you can definitely tell the difference between the two with the parting space. However, I do not feel like they brought the bleach all the way down onto the hairline, because I'm still seeing knots on the hairline, and I feel like the hairline is also important. I would honestly rather have a bleach hairline than a bleach parting space, because I can work that parting space for myself. The hairline and the lace are the eyes to the wig, so that's the first thing people are gonna notice right here. They're gonna be all up in your hairline talking about something I can see your lace. My sister-in-law told me a story like that somebody was being like kind of like microaggressive about her wig, like, oh, where you get your wig from? Like, just assumed it was a wig. And I told her, I would have been like, girl, what wig? Because if you wanna play stupid, so can I. Let me use my 360 mocha powder. I need to clean my desk. All right, so we're gonna use that mocha 360 powder right around the hairline. I don't need to put it back into the parting space, because they already bleached that, and I think that'll be fine. And I don't plan on parting this wig any other way.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
I mean, I might, I don't know. Mine did come with the elastic band. This is a pre-cut closure, so it should be real easy just to pop it on and go. But this wig got a little stank to it. So I'm gonna give mine a little whole bath real quick, because I wanna hurry up and get out the house. I got a lot of errands to run today before I head to my son's football game, and I don't feel like waiting for this hair to dry down. So excuse me, okay, don't judge me. But when I get home, I'll make sure I wash my wig. But for now, dry shampoo first, and then top it with the water. Pat it all in. This is their water wave texture, so it should be very easy to style. Those ends are a little bent up from the packaging, so I gotta make sure I get those together. I loosened the band because it seemed a little tight. Put it on my head. Please let it fit. Get it over. I need the wig to fit. Okay, who did that? Who did this? What I tell y'all? Don't piss me off. I don't need this, okay? And you don't need to do it, so don't do it again. Absolutely not. Y'all know daggone well I can't. But it does show the hairline, so all I'm gonna do is push those back a little bit and blend that in. The lace is cut nicely, so I do like how y'all use a little wavy action and cut the lace, and it gave me a little like widow's peak and then kind of brought the sides back. This is a closure wig, okay, pre-cut closure, so it's going to show your sides. Your sides are going to be out. What about the sides? The sides are out. Look at me. My sides are out. I'm only worried about my hairline. I don't care about the sides. Okay, if I want to shift the wig and cover the sides, I can definitely do that if I do a side part. Is that my wig cap back there? It really got pushed. Uh-oh, wait a minute. I don't want that comb. That comb in the side, My wig cap is up here. Why is it giving me that line in the middle of my head? Let me tighten my band down. My band had a little bit too much slack in it. It was giving me bacon collar. Oof. Here we go. I could actually take my hair out and kind of put it over the lace, but because my hair is cornrowed back, I can't really do that. Because if I do a side part, I want it to be over here. Ooh, wait a minute. Okay, bleach knots. Okay. That parting space is definitely giving. I like it, but I don't like the fit. It definitely runs more big head associate than big head friendly. It's gonna keep sliding back. I may have to spray down right here in the middle just to kind of hold it in place. Oh, sorry, I'm using my Nairobi mousse. Okay, I'm always using it. Nairobi mousse around the hairline. Brush it back a little bit, do a little swishies. Cause they cut them short, I gotta kind of work with the hairline. Messy hairline for the win. Let me clip this back up off my face. They sent your girl a band, so I appreciate it. Julia. I'm gonna use my mousse all over the hair. Hold on, let me put a little bit more water on my ends. Quick styling, nothing crazy. This video is more about the knots on the wig. A fast fashion brand is giving us a little bit more specs, okay? They bleaching knots now. They tired of me calling them fast fashion. They wanna, they wanna step it up. And Julia hair actually has pretty nice quality hair. It's not super high quality, but it's not bad. Like it'll last you some years if you take care of it. I am getting some shedding on this wig. When you start bleaching knots on your wigs, you start to get a little bit more shedding because the knots that were reinforced are now, you know, degraded because of that bleach. But I wasn't really expecting it for this wig because it's a looser texture. So kinda, you might have to work on that, Julia. Reinforce those knots a little bit more. Go ahead and scrunch that up. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of makeup and then we'll come back and see what this hairline is looking like. Again, the styling is secondary. The hairline is what matters, okay? Be right back. Let's see what the hairline is looking like. Which way? This way? Okay. Not bad. That's the wig, as you can see. And that's me. Okay. Let me just brush this back a little bit. I think I want to do a side part. So I need to take the hair down and bring it forward a little bit more. Here we go. And I'm going to part the hair to the side. I'm not going to shift it yet. I'm going to see how she oh yeah, how she handle it. Can she handle it? Brush that over like this. I could definitely shift the wig more this way because I'm going to use more of this side. So let me just shift it like that so I can get more lace coverage on my sides over there. Use my contour and I blend that lace in. Oh, that's too dark. That is too dark. Blend that in right on top. I'm probably gonna have to spray it down because it keeps sliding. So I'm just gonna use my Esha Spray. Oh, did I get that in my eyelash? Golly. I guess I'm gonna swoop this. I'm not used to swooping, but I think I'm working it out pretty nicely. Pin this back up, wrap this back down. I want the hair to be laid down on top. I am gonna do my little claw clip style. Keep it simple. Bring it all up, bring it up, bring it up. Pull it up like this. All right, let me take off the band. Let me brush this front right here. Wait a minute, this is in the way. Let me pin that up. Bring that to the back. Bring that to the back. I don't have another hair bow, so I'm just gonna twist it around like this. I'm just gonna pull it up like that. Take the claw clip. I'm just gonna pin it up like so. Spray this down. The hair is pretty long on this side. Let me see if I can kind of bring it up a little bit and bobby pin it. There we go. You're just grabbing it and pinning it up just to shorten it. Add some mousse to my ends. Make sure they curl. Pop that to the front. Bring some of the hair down in the back so it's not so perfect. I need one more bobby pin because this one right here is a little bit, it's not sitting the way I want it to sit. Let's do a little edge control. Let's kind of finish up the look on this side. Okay. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. What are we thinking? I think it came out perfect. I have no complaints about the end result of this unit. I think Julia Hair is working in the right direction for the upgrades, especially because they're not changing the price. You pay the same amount for these upgrades. The price of this unit is, let's see, 20-inch 7x5 parting space. Yep, I got 180 pre-bleached. Let's see. Right here. The price for mine is $217, but I also have a coupon code that takes off 23%. So my wig should be about, I think like what, like 165, public math, 165-ish. Takes about $50 off, a little less than $50. So yeah, the only thing I would suggest is to bring the bleach down towards the hairline a little bit more, because you leave those knots in the front that need to still be blended, and that's kind of what matters. I did have to tint mine, as you can see, but I feel like for Julia Hair, this looks pretty daggone good. My lace is a little dark right there in the front. Let me fix that. Let me see if I can blend that back. I may have messed it up. That little dark spot right here. I think I used too much right there in that one spot and it got dark, but the rest of it blended really well. You know, it is what it is. I think it came out really cute. I like how I styled it. This is cute. I am showing up to the game in style. Okay, hey coach. That's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Julia Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.